Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Peacock account and start streaming NBC Universal content, follow these easy steps to complete the verification process quickly. Step 1. Visit the Peacock TV website or download the Peacock app from the App Store, Google Play Store, or your smart TV's App Store. Step 2. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address, create a password, and provide any other requested information. Step 3. After completing the registration form, Peacock will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for this message. Step 4. Open the verification email from Peacock. The subject line will typically read, "Verify your Peacock account" or "Confirm your email address." Step 5. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to the Peacock website or app and automatically verify your email address. Step 6. Once your email is verified, you may be prompted to select a subscription plan. Peacock offers both free and premium tiers. Step 7. If you choose a premium plan, enter your payment information to complete the subscription setup. Step 8. After completing these steps, log into your Peacock account and start browsing the content library. Your account is now fully verified and ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.